Alright, y'all. See, I know what time it is. I'm back. I got another one for y'all. You feel me? I think today we're going to get into the seventh house. You feel me? So, all my Libra suns, Libra moon, Libra rising. You feel me? All my seventh house, sun, conjunct Venus, all you Venusian individuals. It's your turn. You feel me? Now, don't turn the cheek like you don't hear. You hear me? Yes, I'm talking to you. Come on with it. Come on. Come on, bring it to the table, cause y'all smooth try to slide out of it. Come on to the table, baby, it's your turn. You feel me? As always, you know I got everything you need, you feel me, to get comfortable, you feel me? You know Venus like the nice things, you feel me? So you know we got the best of the best, all the things you need, so you feel me? Do what you need to do, you feel me? To take this in, you feel me? Cause you know you feel me? You might feel like it come off a little too harsh, you feel me? You feel me? So go on and get right first, so you can take it the right way. Yeah, and off the top, I'm gonna let you know, you ain't gonna be able to talk your way out of this one, but yeah, so you already cut out the play dumb act and all of that, straight up. Cause it ain't gonna work this go round, you feel me? So you can skip past all that, you feel me? I see you now, trying to make it sound good, trying to figure out a way to flip it, try to twist the words, how I said, no, we ain't gonna do none of that today, seventh house. Venus, we ain't doing none of that, you feel me? Take it how I give it to you feel me? Don't try to take it how you want to take it how I gave it to you. You know what time it is, come on with it.
Oh, I tell you, like, I'm like the 2020 Petey Pablo on this motherfucker. Nah, fuck that, nigga. I'm like P in this bitch, look. Bad little bitch, call me daddy, though. Met the little baby up in cameo. Classy little bitch and not a ratchet hoe. She be dancing in the mirror, ass clapping.
So yeah, I mean, off the bat with my seventh house individuals, you know, what do we know about the seventh house, you feel me? We know seventh house is all about, you feel me, relating. This is me and you feel me? This is the we house, you feel me? So this is when we get into, this is the first sign in the second half of the zodiac, you feel me? So we going into the we going into everybody, you feel me? First half, you know, I say the first half, they worry about self first. They got to get self right first. But the second half, you feel me, it's about everything. It's about everybody, you feel me? It's about relating, you feel me? These people are more likely to bring in others. These people are more likely to, utilize others and be used by others. You know what I'm saying? These people are more likely, just to be involved with others. They're not necessarily concerned with getting self right first. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes they bring others into that, They ain't always out for self necessarily, you feel me? Which could be a good thing or bad thing, because self-preservation is a beautiful thing, you feel me? But we gonna get into it. Now, Libra, as a Libra individual, you feel me? As a seventh house individual, as a Venusian, you feel me? The first thing, you feel me, I'm sure you already know is coming, you feel me? We got to get into those relationships, you feel me? We got to get into your need for a relationship, you feel me? We got to get into your need for others, you feel me? And like I said in that Sun and Libra video, you feel me? Go kick back with that Libra video, you feel me? As well, because I get in more detail. If you want to know more about just your energy in general, go over there, kick back with that Libra video, come back. Then you can get into the intervention and what you need to work on and what you need to do, you feel me? You got to know what's going on first, so go over there and come back. So off the bat, you feel me, for all my seventh house individuals, I know this might sound harsh, you feel me? I know this might hit you feel me? It might tug at them heartstrings a little bit. You might feel the type of way, but it's okay, baby. But off the top, you feel me? Worry about your motherfucking self. It is what it is, man. It is what it is. And don't see, cause I feel it already, you feel me? I feel the vibes, y'all took it the wrong way. But don't take it like that, you feel me? I'm just keeping it 1,000 with y'all. It is what it is. Y'all respect the honesty, you feel me? So I gotta give it to y'all how it is, you feel me? You gotta worry about your motherfuckers. So I know you love your family, I know you love your mate, I know you love everything and everybody and every lamp and every dog and every, you feel me? I understand. But first and foremost, you gotta learn how to worry about your motherfucking self. And y'all think y'all slick, cause y'all try to disguise it like y'all try to play it like, oh, I'm just helping, I'm just helping. You know, I'm just doing this, I'm just assisting with that. You feel me? You see what I'm saying? You try to play it like that, but you ain't gonna tell them, like, ain't nobody asked you for that help. You know what I'm saying? Ain't nobody asked you to do that. You feel me? Ain't nobody tell you to touch that, you feel me? Ain't nobody had, and then you'll get the feeling like, some type of way. Like, you would spend a bunch of time worried about a bunch of other motherfuckers, then look up and be mad because ain't nobody worried about you. Ain't nobody asked you to worry about them to begin with. You put yourself in that situation, you feel me? You went all out your way out of your lane, you feel me? You could have stayed in your lane like they stayed in their lane, you feel me? But you all over in their lane, you feel me? You trying to pass and you bumping them, you feel me? You could have just stayed in your lane, but now here you come. You see what I'm saying? And then try to act like it. Oh, I was just thinking about what was best for them. I was trying to make it fair. Everybody ain't on that, you feel me? That's why you got to worry about yourself first. See, you come in worried about everybody. No, it ain't always like that. You see what I'm saying? That ain't always the nature of the situation, you feel me? It is like that sometimes, but you feel me? You gotta understand and come to grips with and come to terms with the fact that life just ain't fair. It is what it is, you feel me? You gonna eat or get ate, you feel me? It is what it is. Ain't nobody, you see what I'm saying? Ain't no in between. You see what I'm saying? Some situations like that. And you want it to always be fair and balanced out and be even. And let's just make sure we both get it. It ain't always like that, you know what I'm saying? Sometimes it's all or nothing, you feel me? And all that weighing it out, you gonna end up the person with nothing. Then you gonna be looking, dang, how I end up that? See? Stay in your lane. You should have worried about your motherfuckers. You see what I'm saying? So that was part 1 of your Libra intervention, you feel me? So, yeah, I mean, make sure you staying in your lane, you feel me? Make sure you worried about your motherfucking self first, you feel me? Make sure you do that, you feel me? It is what it is, and the rest, you feel me? And I just ain't saying you can't care about others, you can't do what you do, you can't provide the support. It's just saying, you know, you got to worry about you first, get you right, and then worry about all that other shit. It is what it is, you feel me? So, as always, thanks for watching. Let me know what you think down below. Make sure you kick back with part 2, you feel me? Come on over and kick back with me on Instagram, you feel me? At Kickback Astrology, you know what I mean? You know what time it is. Come on with it.